Accountants are good with numbers and know how to save a buck.
Gotta get these invoices entered.
I hope that's Mr. Smith's financial statements.
Oh. This is a business expense, right? Oh.
I'm here for the quarterly meeting.
Accountants get hungry too.
Look, the issue is right here. We need to reconcile these accounts payable before the end of the fiscal year, or we're in serious trouble.
I need a boost.
Based on your portfolio here, walk me through your process for the reorganization project mentioned on page 3.
Another late night. I needed that. Thanks for the coffee.
The income statement clearly shows a significant downturn in revenue this quarter. We need to address these expenses immediately, or we're looking at substantial losses.
I finished our payroll. We're here to audit your business.
Boy, what a long day. Ready? Not all accountants are wealthy.
People think accountants make big bucks. Having bucks